Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I am going to review turmeric honey bath soap. I have made turmeric honey bath soap. This is glycerin soap base and the soap mold. Now cut the soap base in small pieces so it will melt fastly. I am making this in winter season now. Glycerin honey both are good nourishing ingredients. Now going to add 1 tablespoon Multani mitti to a mixing bowl. This is 1 teaspoon turmeric. Mix well. I kept dry ingredients separately. Let's mix wet ingredients like 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel plus 1 teaspoon honey plus 2 to 3 drops of rosemary essential oil or any essential oil which is available like lavender essential oil. Grease the soap mold with coconut oil or any oil. Using double boiler method to melt the soap base. Let's add all the ingredients and keep mixing. Nicely mixed all ingredients. Now pour into the soap mold. It took almost 2 to 3 hours to get completely dry. Demold it and start to use after 4 to 5 days. Now here is my review. I am using this soap 4 to 5 times. I have already used this. It creates mild lather, not so rich lather but quite good amount of lather. We have to rub it more as compared to the company made soaps. You will get the feel of something homemade. I like the results. It didn't dry out my skin. It cleanses the skin very gently, not harsh like commercial soaps. In winters, I definitely suggest to use homemade bathing bars. Also, you can share your homemade bath soap recipes with me so I will get the idea. I will like to know more and more new ideas. I hope the video is helpful. Thanks for watching.